If you're in the market for rental property management software, you may have come across RealPage as a potential option. With so many software solutions available, it can be overwhelming to choose the best fit for your business. That's why we're here to help. In this video, we'll review RealPage, including its cost effectiveness, feature set, and overall value compared to its competitors. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether RealPage is the right choice for your property management needs. So let's get started. What is RealPage property management software? RealPage is a cloud-based leading property management platform that provides services for all kinds of properties. This software enables rental property owners and managers to produce and store various records and documents that pertain to their rental properties. Some of the property types that RealPage offers property management tools for include apartment complexes, multifamily properties, commercial properties, single-family properties, vacation rentals, and housing. RealPage's comprehensive suite of tools allows its users to gain access to a plethora of resources to streamline their property management company and make it more efficient. This software is also backed by a market analytics data platform that allows users to maximize the value of their rental property. Although you may be already hooked on RealPage's rental property service, it's important to know the pros and cons of the software. Also, you must factor in the price that you will be paying for the software to know if it's worth it for the features you will be getting. Since property management software can have such a huge impact on your business, we have outlined everything that you will possibly need to know to help you make your decision. RealPage Features. One of the best parts of the RealPage software is the large collection of features it provides. With these features, you will be able to transform your property management company and provide exponential service to your clients. Some of the most notable property management services provided by RealPage include accounting suite, budgeting tools, property maintenance, document management and production, and full property management. With all of these helpful features, you can easily do some of the tasks that would have taken you hours to do any other way. In the long run, software like this will transform how you and your team conduct business. Now, let's go through the features in more detail so you know exactly what you are investing in. Accounting suite. RealPage offers its users a complete accounting suite with a plethora of tools at their disposal. Some of the most notable features of RealPage's financial suite include vendor payments, budgeting, corporate accounting, financial reports, and variance analysis. The software also provides property accounting, which is vital for property managers trying to grow their property management company or analyze their performance. Budget tools. Another useful feature of the RealPage software is that it provides a collection of budgeting tools for helping you keep track of all of your expenses. The most significant advantages of these budgeting tools are that it saves time, improves accuracy, increases visibility, and reduces cost. Also, RealPage makes it quick and easy to integrate their software with your business, so you can begin using these tools almost immediately. Property maintenance. Another helpful feature that RealPage offers is that you can keep track of maintenance requests from your rental properties. These tools make it easy to submit and assign work orders for any of your properties, as well as monitor the progress. Apart from that, you can also generate a detailed report of maintenance requests, making it easy to keep track of everything. By doing so, you can shorten response times to a maintenance job while also cutting down the cost of these requests. Document management. One of the key features that RealPage offers is its full document management suite. With these tools, you can maintain a constant flow of your documents in your portfolio and offer your clients consistent paperwork. Also, these services reduce the amount of time it takes to handle physical documents and store everything in the cloud. Since it's stored in the cloud, you can access your documents from anywhere and share them with anyone who needs access. Property management. Another very helpful feature that RealPage offers is a full property management suite. These tools are meant to drive productivity and increase profitability while reducing the cost of doing so. End-to-end solution is also completely customizable, offering you, the property manager, full control over how the software works. This also makes it very easy to integrate with your daily workflow. Now that we know about some of its most useful features, let's discuss how much RealPage's services cost. RealPage Pricing. One of the biggest deciding factors for people when choosing a property management solution for their company is obviously the price. RealPage's pricing is actually different from most software, as it's based on the square footage of your properties. There are also two different options. One is for office and retail assets, and the other is for industrial assets. For the office and retail assets plan, the price is $10 per month for every 10,000 square foot. This plan grants you most of the features that the software provides. The next plan is for industrial assets, which costs $5.83 per month for every 10,000 square foot. With this plan, you get all of the features from the previous plan, plus some other ones geared towards industrial real estate. Does RealPage offer a free trial? Unfortunately, RealPage does not offer any free trial for their software. However, they do have a large collection of videos that you can watch before investing that goes over every aspect of the software. Apart from going over how the software works, these videos can also be used as sort of a training if you decide to choose RealPage. RealPage Alternative. Now that you know everything you need to know about RealPage, there are other property management software options out there, so let's go over an alternative to it. Whether you're searching for a more comprehensive list of features or a cheaper price, we've got you covered with this alternative. DoorLoop. If RealPage does not sound like the option for you, DoorLoop may have some of the things that you're looking for. With DoorLoop, you get all of the features that come with most property management software tools, plus a whole lot more. DoorLoop Features. A full accounting suite. Make DoorLoop your all-in-one accounting solution for all financial processes. Tenant Portal. DoorLoop's full tenant portal allows for seamless communication between the tenant and the property manager. It also provides a convenient place for rent payments and other fees and tenant screenings all in one place. Maintenance Management System. DoorLoop's maintenance request management also allows you to create and track maintenance requests across all of your properties. Marketing Tools. A full suite of tools that allows you to list vacant units and fill them up as quickly as possible. Stellar Customer Support. Around-the-clock customer support that makes the onboarding process a breeze with one simple call. DoorLoop Pricing. DoorLoop has great pricing starting at $49 per month for up to 20 units. This means that you can gain access to all of these features at one amazing price. Do you want to see DoorLoop's amazing features all for yourself? Be sure to schedule a demo to experience what it can do for you. Thank you so much for watching this review of RealPage as a rental property management software. We hope that has helped you in your search for the best property management tool for your business. Whether you ultimately choose RealPage or another software, we wish you the best of luck in your property management journey. And don't forget, DoorLoop offers an all-in-one solution that can simplify and streamline your entire property management process. Visit our website to learn more about our features and how we can help you take your portfolio management to the next level. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.